What's going on, everybody? My name is Vernon, and I've been a health and fitness coach for well over 12 years now. And I'm here to talk to you about the Slim Crystals water bottle. So I'm gonna let you know I physically have the product. Whether this is completely new to you or you've heard about it before, I want you to learn more because I'm gonna be learning more about this too. I hope you'll stick around until the end of the video. Throughout this video, I'll be sharing a bunch of important information about the Slim Crystals water bottle and some crucial alerts you should know before purchasing it. That's the big deal with this, and that's when I got this. I wanted to save you all a bunch of time. My goal is to help you understand everything it is to know and clear any doubts about this product. Before you hit that purchase button, let me tell you this. Make sure you use the link in the description box to get the official and original Slim Crystal water bottle. Now let me ask you a big question. Do you need to lose weight? Do you want to do it in a healthy manner? And that's a key phrase right there. In a healthy way, do you want to lose weight? Because that's exactly what the Slim Crystal water bottle has to offer. And it can help you with it. If you're looking to shed a few pounds, slim down, and improve your overall health. And that's what made me purchase this. Hey, I can get a little bit more water in. If it can give me some extra energy, why not? It's not necessarily for weight loss, but if that happens, I will absolutely take it. The Slim Crystal water bottle is here to assist. That's what I'm saying. It's a unique water bottle made with 9 special crystals, as we all know have special powerful nutrients. The Slim Crystal water bottle filters the water you put into it, enhancing the minerals and nutrients, making it healthier for you. It really helps with weight loss because the minerals aid in eliminating toxins and pollutants, leading to overall health. When your metabolism is functioning well, you start to lose weight. It's a very simple equation. However, there's an important thing to remember. You should drink 2 or 3 liters of water per day from this bottle. We're about to do an unboxing. I want to show you everything I got in the box, but you have to drink at least 2 to 3 liters of water per day from this bottle. And let me show you this bottle. We're about to do an unboxing. Just switch the regular cup or bottle to the Slim Crystal water bottle and you'll be doing your body a big favor. So if you already have a water bottle, start using this. That's what it's saying. But let me show you an unboxing as I continue talking with you. The Slim Crystal water bottle comes with a guarantee, meaning you have 60 days to test it out. If you don't see results or if it's not for you, you can simply ask for a refund on the official website. They give you your money back. No problems, no questions asked. Remember, for it to work, you need to drink at least 2 to 3 liters of water per day from us. So coming back to camera, you need to drink at least 2 to 3 of these per day. This is not a lot of water. Quite honestly, it's a lot easier to drink, I have found, just because it's in this cool water bottle. I don't know why it reminds me of like a vial from Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. But anyway, I've read people's feedback and seen how it's genuinely helped many individuals. People have lost weight, detoxed their bodies, and felt more energized and alive. I'm not sure about the detoxing, but I can say for myself, but I can promise you this. I'm definitely more hydrated. I'm definitely sleeping better. One of the things that I noticed is my eyes were red. And this is a crazy thing. I was thinking it was allergies, but I've been dehydrated. So just overall health alone, I'm super happy with this. And it also helped me lose at least 3 pounds that I was really focused on losing. So that was an added benefit. And I wasn't trying to lose, and these things happen. I want to thank you all for taking the time to watch this video. I've got to give this a solid B as a rating. Main reason I can't give it an A because it's still about 40 days in. That's about 30 days in, pushing about 35 days. And I'm happy with the results. I can't sit here and deny this, but it was a difference to transfer things to this water bottle. But now that I've gotten used to it, it's a slam dunk. I get it. But just in general, I'm happy that I'm drinking more water, especially during the summer. Here in the South, it gets super hot. But I do love this. And yeah, I also want to give it an A+ for the packaging as well. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. Stay safe. Have a great day. And remember, the official website link is in the description box right down below. If you have questions, I do read those. Ask them and I will jump right on top of those and answer it. Thank you again. I'm going to see you all next time on my next review.